Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 9, continuation of exercise 9.1, no problem number 20. Use the method of monthly averages to find the monthly indices for the following data of production of a commodity for the years 2002, 2003 and 2004. Okay. So production for the year 2002, 3 and 4 are given right from January to December, all the 12 months production given. Then find the monthly indices for the following data. So month January to December, year 2002, 3 and 4. First we start with the monthly total. For the month of January, 15 plus 20 plus 18, you have to add all the three. 35 plus 18, that is equal to 53. 18 plus 18, 36. 36 plus 25, that is equal to 61. 17 plus 16, that is equal to 33. 33 plus 21, that is equal to 54. 19 plus 13, that is equal to 32. 32 plus 11, 43. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 6, 12. 4, 31, 41, 51, 43, 53 plus 9, 62, 34, 34, 44, 54, 35, 45 plus 7, 52, 35, 45 plus 6 is 51, 31, 41 plus 8 is 49, 33 plus 20, that is 53. Next we have to calculate that monthly average, that is 53 should be divided by 3 because it's a total of 3 numbers. So 53 divided by 3, that is equal to 17.666. You can approximately write 17.7, can be rounded up to one decimal place. 61 divided by 3, that is equal to 20.333, you can write 20.3. 54 divided by 3, that is equal to 18. 43 divided by 3, that is equal to 14.333, you can write 14.3 approximately. 42 divided by 3, that is equal to 14. 51 divided by 3, that is equal to 17. 62 divided by 3, that is equal to 20.666, you can write 20.7. 54 divided by 3, that is equal to 18. 52 divided by 3 is 17.333, you can write 17.3. 51 divided by 3, that is equal to 17. 49 divided by 3, that is equal to 16.33, it is going on, so you can write 16.3. 53 divided by 3, that is equal to 17.666, it is going on, so you can write 17.7. Okay. Then you have to calculate that a grand average, that is equal to, you have to add all the values of monthly averages, that is, start with the 17.7, 20.3 like that, 17.7, 20.3 plus 18 plus 14.3 plus 14 plus 17 plus 20.7 plus 18 plus 17.3, 17, 16.3, 17.7. Totally 12 values are there, so that for getting that grand average, it should be divided by 12. Then you have to add all the values. If you add, you will be getting 208.3. 208.3, if we divide by 12, we will be getting 17.358. Then 333 is going on. It can be rounded up to that one decimal place. So that write 17 point. Look at the second digit. Since it is 5, You know that 5 or more than 5, 1 can be added with the previous digit. Since it is 5, 3 becomes 4 approximately. This is a grand average. Now I have to calculate the seasonal index for each and every month, right from January to December. Okay, now SI, seasonal index for January. The formula is monthly average, that is for the month of January, and divided by grand average. Into 100. This is the formula. Monthly average for January, here it is, look at that, 17.7, and the grand average, that is 17.4. 17.7 divided by 17.4 into 100, that is equal to, divide and then you have to multiply by 100. Finally you will be getting 101.724. approximately you write 101.7. after decimal point, one digit is enough. That is a book answer. Like that you have to calculate seasonal index for the month February equals monthly average for February divided by grand average into 100. February month average is 20.3. Here it is. Grand average is 17.4 only. So 20.3 divided by 17.4 into 100, that is equal to, you are getting 116.6666. It is going on. It can be rounded up to a single decimal place, so that you can write 116.7 approximately. Now seasonal index for the month of March equals monthly average for the month of March divided by grand average into 100. That is equal to, for the month of March, here is the average, that is 18, and the grand average is 17.4. 18 divided by 17.4 into 100, that is equal to 103.44. You write 103.4 approximately. Next, seasonal index for the month of April, that is equal to monthly average for the month of April divided by grand average into 100. For the April month average is 14.3 divided by 17.4 into 100 equals 82.18, approximately 82 point. It can be rounded up to a single decimal place. Look at that number here, 8. So the 1 can be added with that 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. This is approximate value. Now next month is May. Seasonal index for the month May equals monthly average for the month of May divided by grand average into 100. May month, here it is, May month average is 14. 14 divided by 17.4. The grand average is common for all. 14 divided by 17.4 into 100. That is equal to 80.45. Approximately you can write 80 since it is 5. 1 can be added with the previous digit. So 4 becomes 5 approximately. Now next month is June. Seasonal index for June month. SI for June, that is equal to monthly average for the month of June divided by grand average into 100. June month monthly average, here it is, that is equal to 17. Grand average, that is common, 17.4 into 100, that is equal to 97.7. Now seasonal index for the month of July equals monthly average for the month of July divided by grand average into 100. Equals July month monthly average, here it is 20.7. 20.7 divided by 17.4 into 100 equals 118.96. Approximately, since that the first digit is 9, so 1 can be added in the integral part. 118 plus 1 is 119 approximately. Okay. Now seasonal index for the month of August equals monthly average for the month of August divided by grand average into 100. That is equal to August month monthly average is 18. 18 divided by 17.4 into 100, that is equal to 103.44. You write 103.4 only. Now seasonal index for next to August September equals monthly average, that is for the month of September divided by grand average into 100 equals, for the month of September the average is 17.3 divided by grand average is 17.4 into 100, that is equal to 99.42 comes, you write 99.4 approximately. Next to September, October. Seasonal index for the month of October equals monthly average for the month of October divided by grand average into 100. Okay. October month average is 17 and grand average is 17.4. 17 divided by 17.4 into 100, that is 97.7. approximately 97.7. Each and every value is rounded up to a single decimal place. After decimal point only one digit. Okay. Then two more months, November and December. SI for the month of November, that is equal to formula monthly average for the month of November divided by grand average into 100. For the month of November, here it is 16.3. Okay, grand average is 17.4. 16.3 divided by 17.4 into 100, that is equal to 93.67, approximately 93. Since it is 7, 1 can be added with the previous digit, 6 becomes 7. That's approximate value. Now seasonal index for the last month, December. SI for December equals monthly average for the month of December whole divided by grand average into 100. For the month of December, the average value is 17.7 and a grand average is 17.4. 17.7 divided by 17.4. 17.7 divided by 17.4 into 100, that is equal to 101.7 approximately. Okay. Now I have calculated the seasonal indices for each and every month right from January. For January 101.7, next February 116.7 and 103.4 for month of March, next 82.2 for April, 80.5 for May, 97.7 for June, for July 119, for August 103.4, for September 99.4, for October 97.7, for November 93.7 and for December 101.7. It can be represented in tabular form also. Okay. So I write all the indices value in the last column here. Seasonal indices. Seasonal indices. The value is, the first one is 101.7. Next 116.7. Next 103.4. Next 82.2. 82.2. Next one 80.5. For the month of June 97.7 and July 119. 97.7, 119. For August 103.4. For September 99.4. For October 97.7. For November 93.7. And finally for the month of December 101.7. Over. So problem number 20 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 21 in the next video. Thank you, children.